Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to be going over our integration with Sherwin-Williams Collision Core and how you can bring your live pour from scale into the Eagle MMS invoice. So you're going to open up Sherwin Collision Core, click on Invoice Report, type in your RO number. Don't make any markup adjustments because it's going to be getting marked up in Eagle anyway. And then you can click at the top right to download the PDF right out of your browser. That's all we're going to need for this one. So once you've downloaded that PDF, you can go to your calculator, open your RO. This is one I was already working on, so if I render this invoice, you'll see my estimated volumes for my selections right here. But if I want to import from scale, I'm going to go back to the calc, hit import from Sherwin Collision Core, and I'm going to drag and drop that PDF. The system will parse the data, give me a comparison between what was estimated versus what was live poured. Hit import, re-render, and now you can see the difference. I've got layers, subcomponents, and subvolumes, exactly the way that they were mixed for all my fluid paints. So there you go.